teacher and my dear friends. My name is Riyan, class first C. Today I am going to tell you about gas, gas, gas. Yes, heavy food and junk food. Don't eat junk food. Always eat healthy food. Junk food, junk food. Go away. Burger, pizza, chow mein. Go away. Chocolate, samosa, toffee. Go away. They cause many diseases like heart disease, diabetes, obesity, acidity, and cavities, etc.
Extra.
Healthy food. Come join me. Apple, banana, mango. Come join me. Vegetable pulses are like you. Milk, juice, soup are like you. Give us protein, nutrients, and energy. Make me healthy, fit, and fine. So avoid junk food, like eat food. Will help in mind. Thank you. Have a nice day.